Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Friday, May 26th, and time is around 7 GMT. Today we will have a look at the DAX futures on the Oanda platform. So we are considering the lower time frame. This is the 15-minute chart, and in my yesterday's video I gave you two options to enter a trade. The first one was a short from this area here. So I was expecting a wave 4 here. Yeah, my count is not really up to date anymore. I will update it in a minute, but I just want to come back to the video of yesterday first. So I told you to wait for an ABC and to go short in this area. If you saw on the lower time frame, like it should be the 5-minute time frame, an impulse, your wave C that ends with divergence. This did not happen, so we could not take this short trade. However, my other suggestion worked out. It's actually, so I can delete this. This is no longer relevant. I already made this suggestion on Wednesday, but then it did not happen. But yesterday it happened. So I told you to wait for a push up and then a new low that ends with divergence. And this is actually what happened yesterday. And then I also told you that the place, the area where wave 5 where a wave 5 ends is so we had a 1 2 is between the 1 and the 1.236. So this is typically where a wave 5 ends. What I normally do, I like to trade at the extremes. So I like to put my entries on the bottom of these boxes, or even below, and this is what we did yesterday with the signal group. I started to register my trades on the paper trading account of TradingView, and here was my entry. And so in the meantime, I also moved my stop loss. I am risk free now. So I'm in a trade. I'm in a long trade that I entered here. Does that mean that I am sure that we will fly to the moon from here? Of course not. I do not make the market. I do not decide on this. The only thing I can do is interpret the data and trade at the extremes, not to lose money. And this is what I did yesterday. I know in this area it will react. I do not know, like for now my take profit is here, but I do not know that we will reach this area. Trading is about continuous interpretation of data, and I need more data to decide where I will take my profit. Like I make I make a plan and I trade the plan, but you can adjust the plan based on data, not on emotions. You cannot change your plan based on emotions, but based on data, you can change your plan. So now here I'm risk free, but it could be in 1 hour that I'm stopped out. I don't know. It could be that we make another low, or that we just start to drop like crazy. but that's okay. I'm risk free. I will not lose any money. So that's the benefit of really trading at the extremes. But yeah, the disadvantage is sometimes it happens. Like I don't know if you remember my video on Monday. I told you to go short here if we would make one more high with divergence. This did not happen, and so I missed this whole move down here, which would have been a lot of money. But yeah, that's part of trading. And so now again I'm long, but could be that I'm stopped out in 1 hour with the market open if you have a good push down. But okay, it is what it is. That's trading. But I like to trade at the extremes and to create risk-free trades. So let's have a look now what could happen today, and I will update my Elliott wave count now, because yeah, this is no longer valid. Like you see, it's about continuous interpretation of data, considering multiple scenarios, and based on these multiple scenarios you look for low risk high reward entries. So yeah, this now here is definitely like a complete impulse up. I explained this scenario in my in the videos of the previous days, that this was a possibility, and yeah, this starts to look very likely. But I will call this actually my one, as long as we do not take out this low here. If we keep this low, then this will become my count. So this was a 1. Now we are doing a 2. If we hold this low, if we break it, then we are again in another count. And I believe, yeah, quite bearish count. Then I think then in my weekend videos I talk about that I expect a pullback in the higher time frame. If we take out this low, this increases the probability that that the pullback has started. But so for now, I count like this. This was an impulse up, or wave 1. This is our 2. And now we can expect a wave 3 to the upside, and then followed by a 4 and a 5. And yeah, in that way, maybe we will reach this area, which I define also in my weekend videos. So now let's have a look at 15 minutes. So then, yeah, this is an impulse up, but yeah. So let's do it like this. On the lower time frame, this is your 1, 2, but then here in this wave 3 we have another 5 waves up, but that's maybe too much detail. So now do it like this: 3, 4, and then we end with divergence. Okay, so this is finished for now. And yeah, actually, like I told yesterday, for today's trading and for yesterday's trading, this is the only part that counts. Like you do not really have to look what happened here. Like it's not like first I thought this was a 3, but it's not because you think this is a 3 that you will have a 4 here. Like this is what turned out. This is not a 4 anymore. So it's really about continuous interpretation of data. So now my best guess is this is a 2. As long as we do not break this low here, this will be a 2. So from here, so I will also, so then if this is a 2, then this should be an ABC. in this in this degree ABC. So we have we have a flat here as a C. Yeah, this is something that the market makers like to do, like creating flats. Flats give you a lot of are really difficult to interpret because you cannot define areas where it will turn. Luckily, we have now um, a resistance area that could turn into support if we go up again. So yeah, this is an appropriate area to go long again. So yeah, what could we expect today? Um, yeah, again, okay, we made here a low with divergence on the 15-minute and also on the 1 hour. But in order to start a new upward cycle, I think like mostly it happens like we have to see if we break this trend line, RSI trend line down. If we break this one, then there is a high probability that we are starting a new upward cycle. But actually, I still think that, yeah, another low is we cannot rule out that we make actually another low here, and which would mean I'm stopped out. But yeah, okay, it is what it is. I cannot make the market. So yeah, if if we make another low with divergence, so on the 15-minute we should, your RSI should enter, should go somewhere here, but not take out this divergence. On the 1 hour the same, you should go somewhere here, but not take out this divergence. So if this happens, it's again an opportunity to go um, to go long. That would mean that, so in this wave C, so then this is so your let me see, no, this is your one, this is the two, then yeah. So for now I count it like this. So we have a flat wave C consisting of 5 waves. 1, 2, 3. We break RSI in the 4, when we have a 5 with divergence. But actually, I would not rule out something like this, that this was only the 3 so far, and that we make another low with divergence. If we do not have divergence, it doesn't count. So if this happens, it's another opportunity to go long, I believe. But the problem with this is, if we take out this low, we will also take out this low, and I think taking out this low means that we looks bearish to me. Like then the pullback in the higher time frame has started. So taking out this low could actually mean that, yeah, that we drop heavily today. So I'm a bit I'm really doubting about going long today. I think the best way to go long was yesterday here. So now we are risk free. We will see what happens, but I cannot really. I'm really in doubt if I would go long again today if we take out this low. So yeah, it's up to you to decide, but I don't think it's a good idea. There are risks involved because I'm expecting a pullback in the higher time frame. And then for a short entry, yeah, then what I would like to see. So if we are done here, then it means that we should have a wave one up, and a wave one is an impulse wave. So yeah, we do not have enough data yet. I cannot define an area for now because it's way too early. But what I want to see is yeah, 5 waves up that end with divergence. So it could be like that. This is our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not saying it's already that this is already the count. I just do not have enough data. I just want to share with you when I will take my profit and when I will initiate, so the profit from my long trade if this one holds, and when I will initiate a short. So I want to see 5 waves up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because then this is your wave one. If we end with divergence in the 15-minute, then I go short for a wave two to the downside. Um, yeah, but this is now really speculation. I just do not have enough data now. I just want to share with you that I will take profit. If we hold this, I will take profit if I see some 5 waves up with divergence, or some equal leg area, because what could also be is that, so this is our 3, so this is our 4, and then 5, and what we will have then is then we will look for an ABC, something like this, ABC. So this can be your A for now, this can be your B. So with the data we have now, it would look like this, ABC. So then the C ends somewhere here. Yeah. So for me today, this is also an area to pay attention, in the sense that I might I have to consider to take profit here if we end here in this box with divergence on the 15-minute. And that means if you have divergence in this box, that it could be a possible entry to go short. Okay, this is my analysis for today. So I hope you enjoyed it. I see you back on Sunday for an analysis of the higher time frame. Have a nice day. Bye bye.